Looking for the best underwater drones? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 underwater drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Aquarobotman, Underwater Camera Drone. Pros: camera supports 4K video and takes 16MP photographs. Includes an app for use with iPhone or other devices. Can be used up to 3 hours per charge. Drone camera includes a variety of special features, including an underwater filter. Ships with a reel and 328 feet of tether. Cons: some buyers report issues using this drone in salt water. Bottom line: this drone stands out for its quality photography and video. It also has some great extras, like its tether reel. At number 2. Vision PowerRay Explorer. Pros: high-definition camera captures all the underwater action with a 100-degree wide-angle lens. Boasts 128 gigabytes of storage and chugs along at a decent clip of several knots. Even can drop bait remotely. Cons: may not be worth the cost for some. Bottom line: this cool-looking drone is remote-controlled and sonar-equipped. Capable of delivering 4K video at depths up to 98 feet. At number 1. GENEINNO, Tether Titan Professional Underwater Drone. Pros: features a 492-foot tether and 3000 lumen lighting to enhance photography and video in deep water. 6 thrusters, smart hovering, and a self-balancing feature help improve maneuverability and image quality. Camera supports 4K video and 8MP photographs. 4-hour battery life. Cons: it's one of the pricier drones in this niche. Bottom line: while some may find it expensive, this customer favorite is designed with deep water access and video in mind. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.